Hi everyone, welcome to Johnson's Corner. Today's project is a very simple yet very effective push block. It's based on Steve Ramsey's design with a slight modification. I'll leave a link to his video in the description. Instead of attaching the cleat to the end of the 2x4, I cut a dado in the bottom and glued in my version of the cleat. I wanted to avoid using screws to hold the cleat. The handle is attached with 1-inch screws and can be used again when the base needs replacing. The push block is made up of only 4 pieces: the 2x4 base, a channel to hold the handle, and the bottom cleat. I was hesitant to use screws to hold the handle because of the make of my saw, but as long as I keep the blade no higher than necessary, it should be fine. Using screws in the back seemed more risky. Here is how I make a perfect fitting dado with no measuring. I first place a piece the size I want the dado to be against the fence. Next, line up the piece receiving the dado with the blade. Move the fence up, make your first cut. Now remove the scrap piece that was against the fence and replace with a shim the same thickness as the blade. I used a piece of plexiglass. I added tape to get the shim the same thickness as my blade. Make the second cut, and you now have the outside edges of your dado, and just run passes to remove the material in between. This technique can be used for any size dado. The trick to it is the shim the size of your blade. So once you make one, save it for future dados. The bottom cleat is a 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch. It sits in a 1/2 inch dado, 3/8 of an inch deep. There are many variations out there of different handle shapes, some quite elaborate. I chose this for its simplicity. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.